Go on again, me opinionated peeps. So people, big up to Richie Feelings. Richie Feelings, they are anima talk about certain things. And one of the things where Richie Feelings are talk about is the fact that the more money you make, is the more crosses and problems and destructions and bad mind and envy come your way. And that is so true. The more money you make, and the more problem comes your way. And Richie Feelings kind of take it to Spice for a little bit where I must say, yo, look at Spice for example, because Spice struggle from where she start from for reach where she reach. And even though people know say she struggle for reach where she reach, them still a try to tear her down this despite all of that, you understand? But Spice, I go and hold her head up and Spice, I go and do her thing. And me personally, I have to say big up to Spice because, yo, me know say Spice I get the fight. Me see some people when I have no reason for 8 pan Spice, I 8 pan her, but she still a push and I stay firm and focus same way. And one of the things them where Richie addressed to, Richie say, yo, you have some hypocrite people who dep on the internet and them talk, them in a Spice comment section, them talk so nice about her. But when you go up on some other platform and see the very same name them over there, tear her down. And people are something with me see to for myself, you know. You understand? I have seen them. I have seen the one them who tear down Spice on other platform and the other comment section and then them go up on Spice page and, oh, Spice, we love you. Spice, no worry about the bad mind one them. When I them same one, had a bad mind one them. But anyway, people, make we go listen to what Richie Feelings I say right, yes, right now. Touch me down in the comment section. Remember, your opinion matters.
For instance, let's bring it to Jamaica. Let's bring it over across and point at Spice. I want to know my friend and my lover. But look, when nothing ever did I go on for Spice, she was alright. She did want to reach where she reached now. And she put in her work and whatever. But now she have to go deal with everyday crosses of being ridiculed. If you do something good, them still are going to judge you. So now, when you go sabam, like for instance, you donate $1,000 to what you call it? What is something here? GoFundMe. You donated $1,000. In Jamaica, that $1,000 is $100,000. And when I look and hear how much people talking about, you should have given more. If it was me, I would have taken back my $1,000 and tell them to come suck me. I'm going to suck on the parents. If it was me. Because I see this woman see this thing here, and she said she got donate something, and she donated $1,000. How much I own? Well, up on the mouth of $1,000 to donate. How much I want to ever donate 1,000? How much I want to ever give somebody 1,000 Jamaican dollars? And I see people make a debate over it and I say she should have put the $20,000. You know people pockets there? You know people pockets there? You give people nothing for put on? When somebody say give what you have, don't give what you have. Give what you can afford to lose. When they say give what you have, then if you have one pair of shoes, you're going to give away one pair of shoes and walk barefoot? Because that's what I'm telling you again, you know. Social media will bring you so far. It brings you so far. But it's when them ready for beat you down in the ground. You will all have your own mother. And social media say you not give your mother nothing. And all your own mother where you give. I feel look into herself and I say, but what do mean my daughter not give me nothing? What do mean my son not give me nothing? Don't give what you have. Give what you can afford. You hear me say, people? Give what you can afford. Social media now go be the death of people. Social media show you the new era of bad mind. One time somebody bad mind, and because you hear some people that talk about, oh, me not bad mind, me just a state fact. State your mother pussy. Because why you out of everybody have a state fact? Somehow you never know this person, you never talk to this person. I'm telling you this. Not for a hypocrite. You see? I watch you over the page them. I'm so no bash Spice. So anytime I don't know where I'm sitting on try to take a picture with Spice. Remember me I go tell Spice. Remember I know Uno. Remember me I go tell Spice. Don't take no blood clot picture with that girl there. She did over Tropics and a bash you. She did over Pink Wall and a bash you. And me attack it front down the face. Remember that. Because somehow no, when you bash a person over one place, when you bash a person over one place, and then when you see the person and you want to take picture with them. So you know what? You know really what? You know really what? Shall I remember? Me and Spice are friends, and I know how to stay. When I hip a blood clot. If you don't like a person, don't follow them. Don't try to talk to them. Don't mention nothing about them. Not go on them page. Because remember, say, you first dep on notification. Then if you don't like somebody, why the fuck would you follow them? Eh? What you follow them for? And don't come tell me about a social media, I follow who me like. I follow who me like. Me follow who me like. Me not follow people because I not like them and I want them in the mix up. Me not depend that. I want to move on the blood clot and go. And that me sure about. And then when I laugh, I want to feel like say a joke because it's sweet tone. And then when people this don't talk about, them go on like them all of that and them go on like all them all of that. You know you don't like the person, you have your favorite, then why you not stay over your favorite? Stay over your favorite, because remember, you know, you have to pick side. Because you put yourself on the way there. You never try to be natural. You never try to be natural or neutral. You never try to do none of that. You just say, yo, me not like her, me not like her. I remember gone early days when everybody used to talk about Spice makeup. Now when you start talking about something different now. When you make Spice be a topic of your life every day and Spice not pay none of your bills. When you not shit, you not shit Spice. When you not fuck Spice. But yet still, Spice on the topic. Uno make Spice have 3 million. Uno make she have 3 million followers. Because guess what? So much hypocrite over there pull up. Uno all make all fake page. Because she black uno. I only make fake page. That means that at this point uno obsess. At this point uno really obsess. Because just like me sure. Me sure so me know say 100,000 people not like me. Me sure about that. Me know enough fan just come over my page. Because you know say sometimes Richie talk something one might like. I know this. And you can't know who like you from who not like you. But trust me. Me have a feeling. And once me have a feeling, try remember say once me have a feeling, you know me with this you know. You know that. I mean nah play hypocrite with nobody. I'm born by myself. I learn to enjoy my own company. I learn to enjoy my company. Like, me and my TV and my bed have a lovely time. All the while. But somehow, you know, as I'm telling you, so when light gone on a Bex, because you can't get for score upon a body page, somehow you not even have service, you not live off of somebody Wi-Fi. And if the people them change them code on the ball, not even service on half pound the phone. I'm not busy in a people business. You know, I'm not need for in a people business because sort out your life. Sort out your life, man. Yeah, people. You know me have to talk a crocus bag, I think it's 17 scandal bag, respectfully. Because if me know say my life not perfect, or me fear shade upon a person who in a better position than me. Eh?
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.